Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to give you a little heads up about Born Pretty Store actually having their 10th year anniversary, which is awesome. They have some really cool discounts going on and of course a really wide range of different nail art products, and I just really wanted to celebrate it together with you guys and also definitely congratulate Born Pretty Store on their anniversary. 10 years is a long time, people, and they have definitely stepped up their game the last couple of years, changing up products, adding more beautiful items. As you guys know, I actually have a discount code that you can use multiple times if you want to. It is 20% off of your own purchase. I will leave it in the description box down below as well as the pinned comment. If you want to use it, you're free to do so. And yeah, I just wanted to give you some little tips on what items you could get if you haven't tried Born Pretty Store out yourself. So I am a big fan of their stamping plates, their stamping polishes. I really love their glitters as well, and they have a beautiful range of different gems. You guys know me, I love my gems. I love everything shiny and blingy and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely check them out. And once again, Born Pretty Store, congratulations on this big milestone. And I also wanted to give a little heads up because last night I actually shared a giveaway that is open internationally. So if you haven't checked that out yet, you can totally do so. You can enter. You have to be like 18 plus years or have parents' permission. Yeah, it's pretty much open to everyone anywhere in the world. So that is pretty cool. And yeah, I really hope you will enter the giveaway and of course check out Born Pretty Store as well because they really do have some really cool products. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.